Good morning, everyone, and here's my outfit for today. So here's my uniform, tak transition diha. Butod lang tiyan, pak pants, lantaw gamay, bakos, tuyok gamay, ID, para inon teacher. Tunad bag ni lalay. Sunod bagpak ni Dora. Oh, ready na sa day 1. Bye-bye.